Resource management in any programming language is crucial. When I say resource, it means things such as file descriptors or database connections. And if we are talking about artificial intelligence or machine learning, it could mean various models, their adapters, and a lot of other things. Python has become a de facto standard when it comes to writing source code for machine learning and generative AI. Context management is becoming more and more crucial when it comes to manage these resources in machine learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how easily you can use context management, which is used for resource management in Python, for any task such as file management. Let's get started. On this source code, which is shown on your screen in VS Code, all I'm doing is I am managing the file resource with the help of context manager in Python. In this source code, all I'm doing is I'm defining a class file manager here. Whenever you use context manager with classes, you need to define this init function, enter function, and exit function. Whenever you initialize an object with the class, the init function gets executed automatically, and then enter function gets executed. And then when you're exiting the class or terminating the object, then exit function gets executed. So if you look at this code, what is happening is that this will start from here with the with clause. In the with clause, we are instantiating this file manager object with these parameters. So whenever you call this source code, then this file manager class gets executed, and to be exact, this constructor function, the initial function gets executed. So we are passing it the file name and the file open mode. Self is referring to the object itself. This test.txt gets stored in this file name, and this w or write mode of this file gets stored in this mode variable. Then we are assigning this file name to this object, and then mode to the self.mode, and then self.file, which is none at the moment. Then enter function is executed where we are opening this file with this file name. This self.file name is already stored here on line number 3, and also the self.mode, and we are returning this self.file. This variable, which is basically a file descriptor, gets stored in this f variable here. Once that's done, we are performing an operation which is f.write, and then it will write test in that file. Once that's done, there is no other code, so it will exit, and while exiting, it will close the file. And these are the variables which are default here. And once that's done, we are printing the status of file f.close, and that is going to return us true if the file is closed. So let's run it. Py.context management with class, and you can see that it has returned us the true. And if I cat this test.txt, this should show me this test written there, which was written in this line number 16. So that's it. This is how easy it is to use context manager with classes. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.